Example 1.4. Let A equal to 3, 4, 7, 8 and B equal to set 1, 7, 10. Which of the following sets are relation from A to B? There are three relations given. One is R1 relation. One is 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10, 8, 1. Relation 2 contains 3, 1, 4, 12. Only two are pair of set of values. Relation 3 we have 3, 7, 4, 10, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 11 and 8, 7. 8, 11, 8, 7, 8, 10. Which of the following sets are relation from A to B? To check whether the following are a relation or not, first of all we should calculate the Cartesian product of A and B, because they are defined from A to B. A to B is defined. The relations are defined from A to B. So we should calculate the Cartesian product of A and B. So calculate Cartesian product of A and B, that is A cross B is equal to, by taking 3 with these three numbers, combining the three numbers in B, we have 3, 1, 3, 7 and 3, 10. And then from by 4, using 4 as a first element, keeping these three as second element, we can get 4, 1, 4, 7, 4, 10. And then by taking 7 as the first element, 7, 1, 7, 7 and 7, 10. And at last by taking 8 as the first element, 8, 1, 8, 7, 8, 10. This is the Cartesian product of A cross B. If the defined relation R1 is a relation, all the elements in R1 are the subset of A cross B. All the elements, the relation R1 is a subset of A cross B, must be a subset of A cross B. Check it now. Relation 1 contains 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10, 8, 1. Now here A cross B we have 3, 7 and 4, 7, 7, 10 and 8, 1. So all the elements in R1 are subset of the set R1. The relation R1 is a subset of A cross B. Therefore, it is a relation. If the relation is not a subset of A cross B, it will not be a relation. So R1 is a relation because the R1 is a subset of A cross B, Cartesian product of A and B. Therefore, R1 is a relation. For answering first one, R1 is a subset of A cross B. Therefore, R1 is a relation. Now moving to the second one. There are two elements in the relation 2. Here we have 3, 1 and 4, 12. 3, 1 presents here and 4, 12 is not present here. In 4, starting with 4 we have 4, 1, 4, 7, 4, 10. Only these three pairs are there. 4, 12 is not present in A cross B. So for the second case, R2 is not a relation. Is not a relation. Since 4, 12 belongs to relation 2, but 4, 12 is not belongs to A cross B. 4, 12 belongs to relation 2, but 4, 12 is not a member of A cross B. Therefore, R2 is not a subset of A cross B. Therefore, R2 is not a relation defined from A to B. And for the third subdivision is given here 3, 7, 4, 10, 7, 7. Listen here, 3, 7 presents in A cross B, 3, 7 here, and 4, 10 presents here, 7, 7 presents here, 7, 8 is not present here, 7, 8 is not present, and 8, 11 is not present here, and also 8, 7, 8, 10 are present. Now comparing R3 and A cross B, relation 3 with A cross B, these two elements 7, 8 and 8, 11 is not element of A cross B. This means R3 is not a relation. is not a relation, because since 7 comma 8 and 8 comma 11 is not belongs to A cross B. They are present in R3, relation 3, but they are not present in A cross B. That means R3 is not a subset of A cross B. Therefore, R3 is not a relation. Example 1.5. The arrow diagram shows relation between sets P and Q. Write the relation in 1. Set builder form. Write the relation in set builder form. And then 2. Roster form. Roster form. Write in roster form. Write in roster form. And the third is, what is the domain and range of R? What is domain and range? Domain and range of this relation. Domain and range of R. R means relation from P to Q. Here R is relation from P to Q is given. R is relation from P to Q is given. We should find set builder form, the relation in set builder form, and then second one, the relation in roster form. The third one is what is the domain and range of R. These three we should need to find. Now, set builder form. Usually, the domain, the first set is domain, the second set is known as codomain. First set is known as domain, and second set is known as codomain. The element here, the first set is known as domain, the second set is known as codomain. Now, usually these are known as X values, and these are known as Y values. These are known as Y values. Look at the corresponding elements here. Here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. There are continuous elements. Here 3, 4, 5. And then keeping these two, comparing these two values, we have difference 2. And then comparing these two also, we have difference 2. And comparing 7 and 5, we have difference 2. So this means these two vary by 2 only, by the difference of 2. So we can make this is X, this is Y. Here Y is nothing but X minus 2. X minus 2. We substitute X is equal to 5 here, 5 minus 2 is 3. Substitute X is equal to 6 here, 6 minus 2 is 4. Substitute X is equal to 7 here, 7 minus 2 is 5. So the relation in this of X is equal to X minus 2, or it is known as Y equal to X minus 2. This is the relation between X and Y. Here X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. So now we should write in set builder form. The set builder form is relation R equal to X comma Y. XY means 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. R belongs to the relation X comma Y, such that Y will be equal to, Y is nothing but X minus 2. Y is nothing but X minus 2. Here X belongs to the set P and Y belongs to the set Q. This is known as set builder form. And then the second one is roster form. Second case is roster form. So to write in roster form, the relation R equal to, here we have the elements 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma 5. These are the things only written in roster form. 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma 5. We don't, the images of 5 is 3, image of 6 is 4, image of 7 is 5. For 8 we have no image. So 5 3, 6 4, 7 5 are written in the roster form. So the third one, what is domain and range? The first set is always known as domain. Therefore for the third solution, domain equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Domain is the set containing 5, 6, 7, 8. And then range. range is equal to 3, 4, 5. The images are only entered in the range set. So 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 are the images of 5, 6, 7. They are only entered in the range set. Therefore range is 3, 4, 5. Question number 1, exercise 1.2. And A equal to 1, 2, 3, 7 and B equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? There are 4 relations given here. The first relation is R1, 2, 1, 7, 1. And the relation 2 contains minus 1, 1. Relation 3 we have 2, minus 1, 7, 7 and 1, 3. In relation 4 there are 4 elements. They are 7, minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3 and 0, 7. And 0, 7 is given. Now, to check which of them are relation, we should find the Cartesian product of A and B. Because the relation is different from A to B, therefore we should find, first we should calculate A cross B, the Cartesian product of A and B. Here we have 4 elements and B we have 4 elements. The totally 4 into 4, there are 16 pairs will be available applying cross product, Cartesian product of A and B. By applying Cartesian product here, this is nothing but combining 1 with 3, 0, minus 1, 7. We have 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 7. And then taking 2 as first element and 3, 0, minus 1, 7 as second element, forming the pairs 2, 3 and 2, 0. 2, minus 1 and 2, 7. And then 3 with these 4 elements, keeping A to B is defined. So keeping first elements from A and the second element from B, and then taking 3, then 3 with 3, 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1 and 3, 7. Finally 7 with these 4 elements, forming groups here 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, minus 1 and 7, 7. This is known as the Cartesian product of A and B. If the given sets R1, R2, R3, R4 represents relations, they are all subset of A cross B. They must be a subset of A cross B. If they are not a subset of A cross B, they will not be a relation. So in the relation 1, I am answering for the first one, 2, 1 and 7, 1. 2, 1 is not present here. There is no 2, 1 in A cross B, and the 7, 1 and 7, 1 is not present in A cross B. Therefore, both 2, 1 and 7, 1 is not present in A cross B. Therefore, R1 is not a relation from A to B. Therefore, R1 is not a relation. From A to B, since the pairs 2, 1 and 7, 1 both is not belongs to A cross B. Both are not members of A cross B. Therefore R1 is not a relation. So R2 from A to B. Then R2. Now R2 we have minus 1, 1. So minus 1, 1 is not present in A cross B. This means R2 is not a relation. For second one, R2 is not a relation from A to B. R2 is not a relation from A to B, since minus 1, 1 is not belongs to A cross B. Is not belongs to the set A cross B. Now the third one, 2, minus 1, 7, 7 and 1, 3. 2, minus 1 presents here and 7, 7 present here, 1, 3 presents here. So all the 3 elements are present in A cross B. This means R3 is a subset of A cross B. Therefore R3 is a relation from A to B. Relation from A to B. Since R3 is a subset of A cross B. R3 is a subset of A cross B. And then we are moving to the fourth relation. The given set contains 7, minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3 and 0, 7. Now checking these elements in A cross B, 7, minus 1 presents here and 0, 3 no 0, 3 present in A cross B, therefore 0, 3 is not present here, and 3, 3 presents 0, 7 is also not present. So these two elements is not member of A cross B. That is the fourth relation R4 is not a relation from A to B, since in R4 0, 3 and 0, 7 not belongs to A cross B. These two are members of R4, but they are not members of A cross B. If the R4, the set R4 is a relation, then all the elements of R4 must belong to A cross B. Now here these two pairs fails to be in A cross B. Therefore R4, the relation R4, given R4, the set R4 is not a relation from A to B. That's all.